So since I'm not here today, we're going to do a quick recap through a video instead of me being in front of you to do the recap of the Lesson 2 video. So we covered two major topics in Chapter 1, Lesson 2. Our first topic was writing numerical expressions for each verbal phrase. So remember, a numerical expression is an expression with numbers and operations. There are no equal signs and no variables yet. So our first example, we want to rewrite 100 decreased by 25. So I see working with 100, working with 25, decreased means subtract. So 100 minus 25. And notice we're not solving it, we are just writing the expression. Our next one city's warmest day of the year reached 107 degrees Fahrenheit. The coldest day of the year fell to 17 degrees Fahrenheit. Write a numerical expression to represent the difference in temperature on those 2 days. So again, difference. There's your key word. Difference means to subtract. If I want to know the difference between 107 and 17, we would write 107 degrees Fahrenheit minus 17 degrees Fahrenheit. And again, we're not solving, just writing the expression. Make sure you're checking directions. Sometimes we will ask you to write the expression and then solve, so you would have two answers. But most of the time, we just want the expression at this point. Okay, our second idea was following our order of operations. So in this example here, remember you want to follow your PEMDAS. Always keeping in mind this double layer here, where multiply, divide go at the same time. We read left to right, and then adding, subtracting again, whatever comes first, left to right. So looking for our grouping or our parentheses first, I see we have two brackets here. In our example, we have our larger enclosed brackets that we're going to take care of at the end. And then inside, I have 12 minus the quantity of 6 minus 2 divided by 4. Or again, I've got parentheses inside, so that comes first. So rewriting, because we show every step. We don't just write answers, we don't just put this in our calculator. So 6 minus 2 gives us 4, so we now have 7 times 12 minus 4 divided by 4. So now inside of those brackets, I see division and I see subtraction. Division comes before subtraction, so 7 times 12 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. Staying in those brackets again. So 7 times 11 for a final answer of 77. Okay, so that was our second idea, following our order of operations. Okay, so at this time, you guys are going to work on a team huddle. Remember, we do the team huddles together. Once your whole group is done with the team huddle, you're going to take it back and get your answers checked. Only one of you needs to go. And if you have all of your answers correct, you will then each work on your team mastery. Remember, masteries are individual. You can reference back to your huddle work or your notes. Make sure you turn the mastery in. That will be a grade for today. And with the rest of the class, you can work on your homework. Remember, you have that 1-3 video, so lesson 3. It's already posted on Google Classroom for you. And then we have our homework number 2 that is also posted on Google Classroom, but can also be found on the Side Monday whiteboard, or ask the sub and he will be able to tell you what your homework for the night is.